Welcome to our quick guide on finding the end-to-end encryption code on WhatsApp Web on PC based on the latest update. If you value privacy, this is a handy check to verify that your chats are protected from prying eyes. First, open WhatsApp Web and sign in as you normally would. Ensure your phone is connected so the web session stays synced. Once you're in, select the chat you want to inspect. This could be a conversation with a family member, friend, or colleague. The process is the same for any chat. Now, look to the top right corner of the chat window and click the 3 vertical dots. This opens a small menu with several options. From there, choose Contact Info. You'll be taken to a page that summarizes details about that contact or group, including profile picture, status, and other settings. This is a doorway to access the encryption details without leaving the chat. Scroll down the Contact Info page until you spot the encryption section. This is where WhatsApp exposes the end-to-end encryption status for that specific chat. In this area, you'll see a unique 60-digit code that represents the cryptographic fingerprint for your chat. Beneath the code, you'll often find a series of QR codes that you can scan with another device to verify the key in person, and an extra layer of reassurance. Take a moment to compare the fingerprints with the person you're chatting with. If you're in a trusted setup, on either end, you can scan the QR code with the other device's WhatsApp camera to confirm that both sides share the same encryption key. If the fingerprints match, you're connected with end-to-end encryption for that chat. If not, it's a signal to recheck your session and contact. If you need to verify multiple chats, repeat these steps for each conversation. Remember, the encryption indicator applies per chat rather than globally to your entire WhatsApp web session. Keeping an eye on these fingerprints can help you stay vigilant about your privacy while messaging online. That's a quick tour of locating the end-to-end encryption code on WhatsApp Web on a PC with the latest update.